A Lethbridge physics professor has been selected to head the Canadian team that will build an instrument for the world's next powerful space observatory. The Japanese mission, known as Spica, will spend a large telescope more than 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. A team of Canadian researchers will also be participating in the mission under the leadership of U of L professor David Naylor. Terry Vogt reports.
In 2003, a team of researchers led by U of L physicist and astronomist Dr. David Naylor was chosen to lead Canada's participation in the Herschel Space Observatory, the most ambitious project ever launched by the European Space Agency. 9 years later, Herschel is rewriting the textbooks, and Dr. Naylor has been named lead investigator for the world's next big space observatory, known as Spica. It'll be launched by the Japanese in the next 5 to 10 years.
Spica will see 1,000 times the volume of the universe than Herschel. So Herschel's rewriting things, and Spica's going to see 1,000 times more of the universe. So to put that in perspective, when Spica's launched, Herschel's observations will be 0.1% of the universe will have been explored. Spica will blow that away. It's a paradigm shift in our understanding.
Dr. Naylor says Spica's high spatial resolution and unprecedented sensitivity will enable researchers to see far more of the universe, helping to understand and answer questions about the formation of stars and planets.
I've spent my career working in a niche area in a very difficult instrument, and now every space agency says that's the one we want to fly.
Dr. Naylor calls himself an experimental astrophysicist, and the equipment he'll be working on needs to be flexible and versatile for a mission that'll last about 20 years, not only answering questions of the day, but also the questions scientists will be asking 20 years from now. Terry Vogt, CTV News, Lethbridge.
The U of L is currently hosting a Herschel Spire Consortium meeting in Banff, and that involves more than 80 researchers from 8 countries. They're gathering to share data, review the Herschel mission, and also plan for the future.